All right, folks. What we have today is this tree's got some roots and it's in a walkway to a business. He wants me to knock some of these down so it's not trip hazard. And so I'm gonna get some of them. I told him I didn't necessarily want to have to hit the big one due to it might kill the tree. So I'm just getting some of the roots. And then back here in the back, we're gonna knock these down right here. There's a square area. This one here, these main ones here. I'm just cleaning it up for them. And for main ones, this one, 2. This is the biggest one, 3. It's only, let's call it 3 foot. That's 3 foot. This one here, number 4. And then I'm just gonna hit this root over here. It's just a root. But that is our job for today. We are stump grinding. All right, I'll show you when we get in the machine on. Talk to y'all shortly.
under the sun.
Well, alrighty, folks. Y'all seen it. Got it loaded up. Job complete. I will do a little walk down real quick. Get this doors out the way here. Alright. So, here's where we did by the entrance. Got it all raked out nicely. Customer's very pleased, said did more than expected. He said very happy. So his customers and employees can walk in and not trip over stumps, roots. And then back here, we got him finishing up. They were gonna they're gonna do some type of concrete 57 stone or something here, and they just wanted the main roots out of the way. And there was some big ones. I came back and hit that again right at the end because there's a couple bigger ones, but hit them right here. And the 4 that were over here are now raked out. 1, 2, 3, and number 4. All right. Well, we have surpassed the 300 mark of subscribers. I really appreciate y'all watching and commenting, and any helpful information helps me. Constructive criticism is always welcome. Big stump grinders are new to me, but we've already had a couple big jobs already. But all right, this is Nick with Loaded Down Drunk Remove out of Jacksonville, Florida. We out.